So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to steal your competitors' photo ads and then how to make them better. So I'm going to walk you through this document. It's short, it's only a page, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like inside of ChatGPT. So the only two things that you're going to need for this is you need one, a photo of your product, and then you're going to need a photo of an ad that you'd like to emulate. Then you're going to go into ChatGPT and you're going to set it up with this prompt. You are an expert graphic designer with over 20 years of experience making photo ads for e-com businesses. You combine professional looking ads with direct response copywriting to make ads that lead consumers to make purchases. You model your work off the book Advertising. After you copy and paste that, you're then going to upload a photo of your competitor's ad, followed by a photo of your product. And then you're going to create an image ad. Well, you're going to copy and paste this, telling ChatGPT to create an image ad that models the design, layout, and style of this example. Use the same type of background, an aesthetic for my brand, which is called, and then input your brand name here. And then you tell it to replace their product with my product, the second image that I've uploaded. Don't just copy and paste the text. Aim to make it better by utilizing the principles of advertising. And here's the product description for our product. And then you just copy and paste that there. So for this example, I picked two random pet supplement brands. The first one is called Zesty Paws. So Zesty Paws, we're going to pretend this is our company. And this is their product. It's a little bite relief or itch relief bites. So the pet takes it, and then it has fish oil, vitamin C, biotin, and it stops it from itching. And there's another brand that does that called NutriPaw, and they sell a similar product even though it's for cats. So we're going to be modeling these ads, but making it for our brand, which is for dogs. So we go into ChatGPT, and I've already put in the prompts just because whenever you want it to make photos, it takes like a minute or two for these to come out. So I didn't want to be waiting here for, make this video 10 minutes when it could be 5. So we copy and pasted the prompt, again, telling it that it's an expert graphic designer. It says it's confirmed, it understands, and then it makes an example. Next up, you're going to upload the image of their ad, stop the scratching, heal the itch, and then you upload an image of your product. So we copy and pasted it. Everything is the exact same, but I did copy and paste their description, which says as a pet parent, nothing you hate more than seeing your dog living their zesty. Nothing captures your heart more than seeing your dog living their zestiest life. Blah, blah, blah. Helps skin health for itchy dogs. And this is what ChatGPT gave us. Stop the itching, relieve the itch. So I personally didn't like that just because itch is repeated twice, but it looks good. So I said, make another similar one with a different headline. And this is what it gave us. Give your dog relief from itchy skin. Again, it changed their product, which is for cats, and made it for ours. They put a dog there. The dog looks like it's itching himself. And then it put the product in. But there's one big problem with using ChatGPT. If I click in and you actually see the image, this is the image of our product that it gave us. So you can see the actual image here looks a bit different than ours. This looks like a chicken, not a dog. Doesn't have the Alaska Omega. It doesn't have the no artificial flavors. It basically gave a 60% complete product. All right, this isn't even real English, but the actual ad itself looks good. So we got the hardest part out of the way. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to go into Canva and just copy and paste this out for your real product. That's easy. It takes a few seconds. But 2, how to actually split test different headlines. So this looks great, right? Give your dog relief from itchy skin. But we want to be testing this with at least 5 the same ads with 5 different headlines. So we're going to keep all this the same. And then inside of Canva, you can actually select this test and then edit it. So I'll show you how to do both of those in the next video.